Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
So guys, as promised in my last video, I'm here with Halloween Special DIYs Part 2. If you haven't watched the previous video on Halloween yet, you can do that by clicking on the card flashing above, and I have also linked the same in the description box below. And now without wasting any more time, let's start with 3 more cool Halloween ideas. So for this DIY, we need a black cloth. Size depends on the purpose for which you want to use it, like a table mat or a backdrop. Then we need a bleaching agent, chalk or any fabric marker, and cotton swabs. Just make sure that you are working in a well ventilated area. Use newspapers or plastic sheet to protect the work surface, and rubber gloves for skin protection. So we spread our fabric on the surface and we draw spider webs using the chalk. It's easiest to begin in the middle and work out towards the edges. And that's how we make the webs. Connect the webs with the curved lines. Now we take the bleaching agent, soak the cotton swab in it, and begin tracing over the web lines. Again, start from the middle and move towards the ends. Then let the tablecloth sit until you are happy with the color. And then we rinse the cloth in the lukewarm water. And this is the end result. This spectacular tablecloth or backdrop will be a perfect addition to your Halloween parties. Aren't these guys cute? Let's learn making one. To make this ghostly lollipop, we'll need a lollipop for sure, white cloth, black twine. You can also use white or orange colored twine, and a marker. Now we take the cloth and place the lollipop in its center and tie it around with the twine. Yes, it's that simple. Now with the marker pen, make the eyes of the ghost. Now for the bouquet, you can take any vessel, bowl or a jar, some black fillers. I have taken the trash bag cutouts from the previous video and the thermocol block. So fill the bowl with these fillers. Place the thermocol block and insert the lollipop sticks. Cover the visible thermocol with the fillers and it's ready. This mason jar mummy is a fun Halloween crafty idea, both for kids and kids at heart. To make this jar, we need a jar for sure, masking tape, a pair of scissors, and googly eyes. Now all you need to do is stick your paper tape onto the bottom back of the jar and begin wrapping and overlapping the tape around the jar to look like a mummy. Keep in mind to leave a triangular area like this for the eyes. Now when the jar is wrapped enough, glue the googly eyes. All done! You have made yourself your very own wonderful, spooky, cool looking Halloween mason jar mummy, and it's all ready to be used as a decoration.
So friends, transform your home into a haunted heaven this Halloween with these super easy ideas. And you don't need any supernatural skills to master these Halloween projects. So buckle up and get going. But before that, like this video, drop in the comment which idea you like the best out of all 6 projects. And yes, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more interesting videos. And do it yourself.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.